Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, then, what are the renal pathologies? What are the renal pathologies which are associated with renal vein thrombosis? Renal pathologies associated with renal vein thrombosis are membranous glomerulonephritis. Then we have membranous glomerulonephritis, membranoproliferative glomerulonephritis. Then we have amyloidosis, lupus nephritis. So all these are associated with uh, renal vein thrombosis.
thank you and thank you for watching.